Tucked along the turquoise edge of Mexico's Caribbean coastline, Dreams Aventuras Riviera Maya is one of those all-inclusive resorts that has built a reputation on being a relaxed, family-friendly hideaway rather than a flashy luxury showpiece. Operated under the Hyatt Inclusive Collections Dreams Resorts brand, this five-star property completed a major renovation and repositioning in 2023, giving the place a refresh while keeping its laid-back personality intact. It sits in Puerto Aventuras, a small, gated marina town between Playa del Carmen and Tulum, which puts guests right in the middle of the action without dumping them into the chaos of bigger tourist hubs. Reviewers across Booking, Expedia, and TripAdvisor consistently describe it as small, intimate, and easy to navigate, which is exactly what a lot of vacationers want. If you have been searching for an honest, no-nonsense look at this resort, this review walks through everything from the rooms to the pools, the food, and the little extras that make or break a trip. The accommodations at Dreams Aventuras Riviera Maya lean toward comfortable rather than extravagant, with most rooms coming in at a tidy 27 square meters. The base-level deluxe pool view room gives guests a choice between a king-size bed or two doubles, a furnished balcony or terrace, and a view that looks out over the garden or pool area. From there, things scale up gently with the deluxe ocean view, which swaps the garden for a slice of the Caribbean and lets you sip your morning coffee with the sea breeze blowing in. The deluxe swim out is a particular favorite for couples and families who love the idea of stepping straight off their terrace into the pool, no flip-flops required. Every room comes loaded with the practical stuff you expect, including air conditioning, a flat-screen TV, a coffee maker, a daily refreshed minibar, and in room safe, a hairdryer and an iron with board. For larger groups, the family suite pool view doubles the footprint to 54 square meters by combining two connecting deluxe rooms, which gives you two bathrooms and enough beds to comfortably sleep 5 people. That second bathroom alone can be a marriage saver when you have kids who all need to brush their teeth at the same time. Honeymooners and anyone wanting a touch of extra polish can step up to the Preferred Club Honeymoon Suite Ocean View, a 52 square meter retreat featuring a king-size bed, a spacious living area, a large balcony with sea views, and a hydrotub that, depending on the unit, is either in the bathroom or out on the terrace. Preferred Club guests also get upgraded toiletries, a better minibar, concierge service, and access to exclusive lounge areas. Honest feedback from past guests notes that a few rooms still show their age, especially in the bathrooms, but most reviewers say the cleanliness and overall comfort are well above average for an older property. Dining is where Dreams Aventuras really tries to win over its guests, with 7 different restaurants and a handful of bars all included in the all-inclusive package. The main hub is World Cafe, an international buffet that handles breakfast, lunch, and dinner with a rotating spread that aims to please picky kids and curious foodies alike. For something with more flair, El Patio serves Mexican cuisine in an a la carte setting, and the chefs lean into traditional flavors that go beyond the usual taco and margarita stereotype. Italian fans gravitate toward Portofino for pasta and classic dishes, while seafood lovers find their happy place at Oceana, an outdoor restaurant where the ocean breeze is practically a side dish. The Seaside Grill keeps things casual with grilled specialties near the pool and beach, which is perfect when nobody wants to change out of swimwear. For lighter bites and caffeine fixes, Coco Cafe offers coffee, tea, pastries, and snacks throughout the day, and many guests rely on it for that mid-afternoon pick-me-up or a late-night sweet craving. Barefoot Grill rounds out the daytime options with poolside snacks and light meals that make it easy to refuel without trekking back to your room. The bars across the property pour everything from frozen cocktails and local beers to top-shelf spirits, and the swim-up bar is, as you might expect, the busiest social spot on a sunny afternoon. Verified guests on Expedia have specifically praised the food as better than expected for an all-inclusive, which is high praise considering that buffets at this category of resort sometimes get a mixed reputation. Service across the dining venues gets some of the warmest comments in every review platform, with bartenders and servers regularly singled out by name. The pools and beach setup at Dreams Aventuras are arguably the star of the show, especially because of one very unique feature. There are 3 swimming pools on the property, including a main pool that becomes the social heart of the resort and a dedicated kids pool that keeps the little ones safely splashing in the shallow end. Loungers, palm-shaded daybeds, and umbrellas are scattered around the deck, and getting a spot is generally easier than at larger mega resorts because the property is small enough that you are never far from the action. The poolside service means you can wave down a server and have a fresh drink in hand before your sunscreen even soaks in. There is also a hot tub for those who want to soak away the aches after a day of activities. The beach situation here comes with an interesting twist. The open ocean stretch is, by some honest accounts, not the postcard-perfect powdery stretch you might find elsewhere on the Riviera Maya, with some seaweed and rougher surf depending on the season. However, the resort has access to a stunning natural protected cove that has become legendary among returning guests, especially families. This cove offers calm, clear, swimmable water that is sheltered from waves and currents, making it ideal for young kids, weaker swimmers, and anyone who just wants to float without fighting the tide. Snorkeling here is genuinely good, and there is a small marina area nearby that adds character. Non-motorized water sports such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling gear are included for guests, which lets you make the most of that gorgeous water without paying extra. For active travelers, Dreams Aventuras offers a respectable menu of things to do beyond floating in a pool with a cocktail. The on-site fitness center has the standard cardio machines and free weights, which is enough to maintain a workout routine without serving as a replacement for a dedicated gym back home. Non-motorized water sports such as snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding are part of the all-inclusive package, while introductory scuba diving lessons in the pool are typically available for guests curious about taking the plunge. Bicycle rental and guided bike tour give you a low-impact way to explore the Puerto Aventuras area, which is flat and breezy enough to make pedaling pleasant. There is also a mini-golf area on the property, plus a full golf course within roughly 2 miles for those who want to chase a little white ball under the Mexican sun. The entertainment crew at Dreams Aventuras gets consistent praise across review sites for keeping the energy up without being pushy. Daytime activities often include beach volleyball, pool games, dance lessons, and Spanish lessons that lean toward fun rather than serious study. Evenings bring live music, themed shows on the main stage, and DJ sets that draw a crowd well into the night. The resort even pulls out the stops for occasional special events, with one TripAdvisor guest specifically calling out a memorable 4th of July celebration. The animation team strikes a nice balance between energizing the social atmosphere and letting people who prefer quiet time simply relax with a book by the pool. The spa at Dreams Aventuras delivers a solid wellness experience that fits the resort's overall approach of being good without trying to be extravagant. The facility includes a sauna, a steam room, and multiple treatment rooms where guests can book massages, facials, body wraps, and beauty services like manicures, pedicures, and hairstyling. A typical visit might start with the hydrotherapy circuit before flowing into a deep tissue or aromatherapy massage, which is exactly the kind of decompression most travelers are looking for after a long flight. The treatments do carry an additional cost on top of the all-inclusive rate, but that is standard practice at virtually every resort in this category. The atmosphere inside is calm and properly soundproofed from the lively pool deck just outside. Wellness extends beyond the spa walls with options for yoga sessions, stretching classes, and beachside fitness activities that the entertainment team rolls out throughout the week. The combination of warm Caribbean air, the sound of waves, and the sheltered cove makes the entire resort feel like one big relaxation zone, which is essentially a wellness program in itself. Guests who want to focus on healthy eating will find plenty of fresh fruit, salads, grilled fish, and lighter options across the restaurants, so detoxing while on vacation is more doable than at properties drowning in fried buffet trays. The overall vibe encourages slowing down, breathing deeply, and letting the small worries of everyday life dissolve into the sea breeze. Families with kids will appreciate that Dreams Aventuras is built with younger travelers firmly in mind. The Kids Club, branded as the Explorers Club within the Dreams Network, hosts supervised activities for children that include arts and crafts, treasure hunts, beach games, mini disco sessions, and themed dress-up days. The setup gives parents a chance to slip away for some adult time at the spa or a quiet lunch without feeling guilty, since the staff genuinely seem to enjoy entertaining the kids. The resort also features a small water park with kid-sized slides, a playground, and a game room, which together provide enough variety to keep children of different ages happily busy. One booking guest called the Kids Club fantastic for their children, which echoes what plenty of other family-focused reviews have said. For teens, there are dedicated activities and social areas that keep older kids from sulking in their rooms, including video game lounges and group activities that are designed to feel less babyish. The compact size of the resort actually works in families' favor, since parents can give older kids a bit of independence without losing track of them across acres of property. The Cove Beach is repeatedly mentioned as the perfect spot for kids to swim safely, and many parents say their children would happily stay in that protected water all day. Mealtimes are easy thanks to the buffet and casual grill options, which suit picky young eaters far better than fancy a la carte menus. Family suites with 2 bathrooms also remove one of the biggest pain points of vacationing with kids. Location-wise, Dreams Aventuras Riviera Maya is parked at one of the more convenient spots along the coast. The Puerto Aventuras Marina is just half a kilometer away and offers boat charters, dining, and a charming walkable atmosphere. Right next door, Dolphin Discovery Puerto Aventuras gives families the chance to swim with dolphins, which is a bucket list experience for many travelers. The local Xcasel Bay Beach area sits just 200 meters away, and the world-famous eco-parks of Zelha and Xcaret are both within about 16 to 19 kilometers, making them easy day trip options. Acumul Beach, known for its sea turtles, is just 13 kilometers up the road. For longer excursions, the lively town of Playa del Carmen is about 23 kilometers north, offering shopping, restaurants, and nightlife along its famous Fifth Avenue. History lovers can head about 40 kilometers south to the Cholum Archaeological Zone, where ancient Mayan ruins overlook the Caribbean. Cancun International Airport is roughly 69 kilometers away, which translates to a reasonable shuttle ride upon arrival. Compact and well-connected location gives guests an easy launching pad for both relaxed beach days and adventurous outings. Putting it all together, Dreams Aventuras Riviera Maya earns its reputation as a friendly, family-friendly all-inclusive that delivers a strong vacation experience without pretending to be the fanciest resort on the coast. Strengths clearly include the warm and hardworking staff, the genuinely good food across multiple restaurants, the magical Cove Beach, the manageable size, and the strong programming for kids and families. Review scores reflect this generally positive picture, with Booking at 8.2, Expedia at 8.4, and TripAdvisor sitting at a respectable 4.0 out of 5 across thousands of reviews. The weaker points are honestly acknowledged by many guests, including some older sections of the property, a few rooms that could still use updates despite the recent renovation, and an open beach that does not match the Cove's beauty. Value for money sits at a fair 7.8 on Booking, suggesting most guests feel they get what they pay for. What makes this resort stand out from the crowded Riviera Maya lineup is that natural cove, which is genuinely rare and gives families a safe, beautiful place to swim that rivals any pool. The intimate size is another major selling point, since guests can find their favorite bartender, server, and lounger within a day rather than getting lost in a sprawling mega resort. The Hyatt Inclusive Collection branding adds a layer of reliability that travelers trust, and the Preferred Club upgrade option offers a taste of extra perks without forcing everyone into luxury pricing. The on-site marina access, dolphin attraction next door, and proximity to major eco-parks all add up to a location that punches well above its weight. For groups and corporate travelers, Dreams Aventuras includes meeting and event spaces that can host weddings, small conferences, and family celebrations. The dedicated event team helps with planning, and the resort makes a popular destination wedding venue thanks to the Cove backdrop and tropical atmosphere. Group bookings benefit from the all-inclusive structure, which keeps catering and bar costs predictable and simple to manage. The guest experience highlights that come up again and again revolve around the people who work here. Staff members are described as genuinely kind, helpful, and quick to fix any problem that pops up, with one booking guest noting that when their initial room was uncomfortable, the team swiftly moved them to a better one. Memorable moments mentioned by past visitors include the nightly entertainment shows on the main stage, surprise celebrations like the 4th of July event, and the way bartenders and servers remember names and drink orders by day 2. Families talk about the kids' club crew making their children feel like stars, while couples mention quiet sunset moments at the Cove that turned an ordinary vacation into a lasting memory. If you are a laid-back traveler looking for warmth, good food, a stunning swimming cove, and a resort small enough to feel like home by the end of the week, Dreams Aventuras Riviera Maya makes a strong case for being your next Caribbean escape. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.